Welcome to Trenton Free Public Library's Adult Art Club. My name is Damaris R.
And I'm Mimi McBride. September is Hispanic Heritage Month, and so we're going to bring to you a dry rub that you can use.
So we will be mixing up and making a dry rub for you guys so you guys could enjoy it. It's a little spicy. It's something I cook with. Es bien rico. Le va a encantar. Es para toda la comida. So let's start. So the first thing is that we have all our instructions written down so you can know how many teaspoons that it takes. So Mimi right here is going to tell you how to mix it, and we're going to mix it together.
Okay, so the first step is going to be putting in 1.5 teaspoons of oregano. So, one. And okay, these two.
You could tell I don't use measurements. We'll just throw it in and voila, it tastes good.
Yeah, usually I cook that way too, just by
Just
smell,
with taste.
taste.
Yep.
All right,
Okay.
the second one is 1 teaspoon of onion powder. It is. And the next step is 3/4 of a teaspoon of seasoning salt. And another 3/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. This one was 1/2, yep. Garlic powder.
It is. It's very strong.
Another 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. So we're going to put this together for you so you can try it, but feel free to change the recipe in any way you want, especially if it's too spicy.
But I have a feeling that we're going to need a little bit more spice for mine. I like mine spicy.
Okay, so when you get your kit, you're going to have the spices in a little container like this. You're going to have some pages like this, and we're going to put some holes in it so that you're able to take the strings that you have with it and tie it.
Yep. So we're going to fold the pages in half. You guys are going to have it already folded and already with the hole in it. But we're going to fold it for you and show you how it looks so you can see what it's going to look like at the end. And if you like your pages super creased, like really nice and fine, with your scissors, press it. And it makes like a super clean.
Oh yeah, it does look really nice.
Instead of this one, you see how it's like lumpy?
Yeah.
So just pass something heavy on top of it. It really does help the look when it makes the crease look so much better. Look at that, like crease. I do it to all my paperwork.
Damaris is clearly more experienced in this than I am.
It's okay. Art is never wrong. If you know you want your pages to be a little lumpy, it's fine. I'm just I prefer it nice and straight. Have a little bit of OCD. You do it without it. There we go. Okay. So because the paper is kind of thick, we're just gonna make the holes for you guys. Should we do what like within? Like, should we do it like around?
I don't know, but should be the same.
Yeah.
Like little ones.
In? I mean,
Yeah, there. Perfect.
So here. Here. Oh, Mimi, we should be smart, Mimi. We don't have to stack all of them. We could take them out. Here at the library, you learn every day something new.
So as we found out, it's easier if you just put in one inside the other, and so that you can line up the holes. You don't need to actually have them all together.
We just wanted to show you our strength in our hands. We're not that strong. Got me shaking. There we go. Yay. What color did I want mine to be? Oh, I wanted mine to be red. So when you decide what color you want your book, your recipe book to go in, the order, I want my recipe book to be red, the cover. Oh, wait.
I'm choosing to have a blue cover. And then just stack your pages however whatever order you want.
I changed my mind. I want mine's yellow. That's the pretty thing, because you're designing your own recipe book. You could pick whatever color you want to go in first. Okay, so now that we have the recipe book with holes and it's in our order we want, what we're gonna do is you're gonna be provided with some string, 3 colors, and you're just gonna pick the colors you want to use. It could be always the same, and then you're gonna want to double it. You could even triple it, but I just want it double. And then you're gonna cut it to your length with some good scissors. Those scissors are so bad. They're so bad. Then, so we could do it a couple ways. We could just do a normal knot. We could do a butterfly knot. It's really up to you. I just want to do a couple of knots. You got it. You got it. You okay?
Okay.
Oh, I really really like how yours coming out though. You put yours really close.
Yeah, I cut mine close to the knots, but
Mm-hmm.
so there's different ways you can put your
Yeah.
book together. You could even go through and
you could
use
even
the same
put
string.
like little beads or something too. To be honest, to make it look super cute.
Yeah, so you get to use your own creativity and hopefully better scissors.
Yes. Make sure you have some good scissors.
Okay. So these are the books that you're going to then be able to put your recipes in. Whether you want to just cut out the recipe and paste it in, or if you want to write it in. I know my handwriting is atrocious, so I'm not going to be writing. But you can do it however you want.
Yeah, you can. You could put it in color. You could always cut it and tape it. I like to write. I like my handwriting. So I will be writing mine. I hope you guys really try this rub. Let us know what you think. Comment. Don't be scared.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Tell your friends.
Let us know how what you use it on, because I'm going to use mine on chicken, but you can use it on beef or pork or...
I'm going to use mine on steak.
Steak, there you go.
Voy a hacer fajitas.
Take some pictures and send them to us and have some fun with it.
Yes. Have a great day. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Adios. Hi.
Welcome to Trenton Free Public Library's Adult Art Club. I hate how I say that.
Okay, my turn. We use it. I'm like trying to think if I should say Spanish or English or should I just break it up? Mimi, wake up!
I'm like, wow, that was a lot of Spanish.
It was a little bit.
Un poco.
Un poquito.
Un poquito.
Wow. You could tell it's been some time, yeah.
Once you find teaspoons. Okay, which one's this?
Is that it, Mimi? Yeah, no, one teaspoon right here. Right
this is half. Well, we need both. One and a half. All right,
okay.
that's fine.
Oh my God. Jesus. They're going to see me struggling.
See, we're doing you guys a favor by putting these holes in.
Oh, this is bad. This is real bad. And then you're going to cut it to your length with some good scissors. Those scissors are so bad. They're so bad. Then you're going to grab, double it maybe. Double it. Just double your yellow one. There. That easy.
Originally, I had it doubled the other way, and then I cut it in half.
It's okay. Just have patience. Sometimes we can't see. So we're
trying. Sometimes
I can't see. I can't see the hole. So we're struggling just a tad, but it's a fun activity. So just bear with us. We're making faces. People are like, what's wrong with these girls today?